Ano aircon siya eh? Ano. Tapos balik ko. Oo, kayo.
Oo nga, magaling ko. Diba?
Salamat
Picture
talaga to.
frame kasi.
Hello, hello. Hello everyone! Happy New Year, guys! I miss you! Thank you sa mga tags and sa mga shawarma wrap. Nababasa ko sila. Mamaya mag-ano ako. Share na ako. Share. Happy New Year! I miss you all. So magkakaroon muna tayo ng drag break sa Manila. So 24 na ako babalik sa Manila. But I have a show outside the Manila. So see you on Baguio on January 10 and see you on Cebu sa January 17. And then 24, I have a show at the Cavite, at the Middle Kid, and then after that, at the night, I have a show. Yeah, kabaka tayo sa Manila. We have a Rampa Ubawi. So I'm gonna open a gift na mga binigay nyo. So ito, MNS. It means me and shawarma. Talaga nagpagawa pa kayo ng paper bag for me. Thank you so much. Me and shawarma. MNS. Wala akong boses. Buong mga agad and booked and blessed by 2026. Yeah. We're roaming around the Philippines, you know that. So, nagbigay na cookie. Chocolate chip cookie sky. From where? Here. To Shay, happy holidays. Julia. Julia is the name. I miss you, Julia. Thank you so much for the wonderful cookies up. So, I have Merry Christmas, shawarma. But from Luis and Angela, Isa, Cheska, and Miguel. Ay, dami yung nagbigay ah. Thank you so much po sa Backstage. Backstage Beauty. Sa pagbibigay ng beauty products. Yeah. Can you see that, darling? It's beauty blender and it's beauty sponge and beauty sponge color something and brushes, darling. Oh my god. Wait, totoo gago. Ang daming brushes. Oh my god, having you brushes for the I will play with it. So good luck when you make a makeup is coming, darling. So next is I have a guest. I have an apple guess. And then, thank you so much na nabigay ng guess. Tingnan natin. Oh, and there's nothing with it! Oh my god, where is it? God, it's amazing! I need to find it. Now it's my, asawa ko who gave to me, in our, first year anniversary. He gave me a wallet, and then, because my wallet's so rock bay na, so he gave me one. Thank you so much. Guess what? Coconut. And a flower from Jean Lazian. Thank you so much, Jean Lazian. And another flower from where? It's a metallic flower. Thank you so much. From Val. KKV. So, kanya-kanya tayo. Thank you so much sa pagbibigay ng KKV. Kanya-kanya ba? I miss you, Val. I will see you soon. She gave me a starter from Zootopia. Hello, Waitress. Thank you so much for stop toy. Cool. Next is flowers from everyone. Thank you so much for this. Crochet flowers. Alam mo, makakagawa na ako ng outfit from crochet flowers. And this one, what is this? I think it's just more. Yes, from where?
Ito yun.
Ay, isaya to?
Laruan.
Ay. Kala ko straw.
Laruan ng pusa yun.
Saya? Ay, saya. Very good. Happy New Year! Sabi ka na lang.
Ano yan? Ay, kasama yun nung KKB na paper na.
So, formal ito. Ay, saya. Ganun siya. So, we're gonna play with my cat. Ala, thank you so much sa pagregalo sa cat ko, ah. Kayo talaga, mabait na pati cat ko naisip mo pa. Dito nagtulak ka punta siya.
Ayan! Ano siya? Ano siya? Nagtawan. Kaya? Ano ba yun ah? Sana.
Ala, yung lumapit ng pusa. Mamaya, lagay natin yan, ha? Ulit sa paper bag mo, ha? Kami nagkabigay din ng ano, maliit na hilo. Thank you so much. And then another one from... Saya, come here. Come here, darling. Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh, it's so playful. Ano yun, napahiya naman ako. So, yan, dinaanan lang yung laruan.
Ito yung nilaro.
Ay, nalagay natin. Ooh. Saya, play. Play it for me. Don't be shy, Saya. Yaw-yaw niya. Shy type tape. So from Tere, na araw-araw may regalo, nakakaloka. Thank you for the chocolates. Chocolates and Mentos. And this one. Alam niyo ba, binibigay ko ito sa teacher ko dati. Ngayon ako na yung binibigyan ito. Yang sit ko nung dati. Like, biglang, papacheck ako ng assignment yata. Eh, parang Teacher's Day o Valentine's Day. Biglang pagkabukas ng libro, may ganito. Happy Valentine's na. Tapos ito yung teacher ko. Kaya hindi niya kayo baksa. Nakaparaan lang kayo. At may nagbigay sa akin ng paputok! Akin lighter. Alaga.
Pound.
Kunin yung lighter, che. Ari, patutukin natin to. So ngayon sisindahan natin to. May nagbigay sa akin ng fountain. Kaya naman, sindihan natin sa harap ng light. Joke lang. Hindi pa pang. So let's see if it's a fountain or I think it's a chair. Ay, pichel na tayo, che. Pichel! Hindi popcorn.
Popcorn.
Oh, saktong-sakto. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Nanonood kami ng movie. Eh, di ba? So, ay, nahuli ako na may mirata ako. Nahuli ako na may mirata sa S-Flix. Bulag na yan. Ano ba yan? Bobo na nilalagyan ko ng ano. Regalo nyo ako nilalagyan ng ano ha. Okay, okay. Thank you so much sa pagbibigay ng popcorn. Sayang, ano na lang. Ang next na ibibigay nyo na sa akin ay Hopia at saka Mani. Okay? May popcorn na tayo. This is from Terrence, my favorite wet wrap. Ano kaya ang gift niya? Let's see. It's a wallet too. Siguro nakita ni Alaga na, ay, bulok-bulok na yung wallet niya. Yeah, thank you so much for this wonderful round wallet of yours, Terrence.
Kamay ko na wallet.
Okay. From genre. Ay, talaga si genre.
Genre.
Ay, Alaga, cute. Nutella, pero may nakalakay Jamil. Nutella, arches nakalakay Jamil. Thank you so much. Ayun o, ang laki o, Jamil. Bumili na kayo ng bago kong merch. Talagang Nutella na Jamil. Pwede ko i-merch to, no? Baka demanda lang ako ng Nutella. So, binigyan din ako ng SW19. Hindi siya SW19. It's SW19 ng gift. So, ano kaya ito? Oh my God! Ang pangit naman ng gift na to. Eh di pinakapangit ang gift na natanggal ko. Ever.
Ano yan?
Huwag na kayo magbibigay ng ganito ah. Baka lang pangit. Ay.
Ito sa'yo yung may ulata.
Tingnan na siya ako.
Nagkapalit kayo.
Kapalit-palit na mga regalo. Bakala.
Hindi ko yung sa'yo na kayo ulata.
So, someone gave me from Jeng. My favorite advisor is Jeng. Follow nyo siya sa IG. If you need advice, manood lang kayo mga video niya. Mag-like and comment, share, subscribe kayo. Sobrang ganda ng mga chika niya. It's aloe vera 92%. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi pa ginawang 100% ito. Ano kaya natitirang 8% na yan. Next. From where? I don't know. Maybe it's Perena naman ito. I think so. Thank you so much na nagbigay ng mirror on the wall. And fresh. Pure fresh mantas. Thank you so much. Then another one. Nagugutom na ako. Makain na sila siya. From Paris Rojas. Thank you so much, Paris. If you want a beautiful stylist, a wonderful stylist of ours, to be a dramatic excellence in beauty, follow Paris Rojas. Grabe mag-style. Then, lunchbox. May regalo siyang gusto niya ako balikin ng school. Hindi, I think it's
Pilo. Lunchbox na ito.
it's not a lunchbox. It's an egg pillow, darling. Surprise. I didn't see it coming, but it's so mushy and so fluffy.
Mushi. Fishy.
Squishy. Mushy. At amoy peanut siya. So we're gonna, paano siya ibabalik? Gagawin na. Paano ito ibabalik?
Pakita mo paano bigat.
Bakla. Asikaso. Thank you so much, Paris. And it's something, someone gave it to me.
Ayan.
Ching.
Lama kayo.
Wala lang naman. Alaga na inom na namin. May nagbigay na yellow mocktail. It's not Binablo. At si Nat. Thank you so much, Nat. Nainom ko na. Favorite ko siya. It's yellow tail. Kung may wala kang isip na regalo sa akin, it's my favorite drink. It's not too alcoholic. It's just a girl drink or something. It's a yellowtail muscat. Thank you so much. And this is from Jad. I have always believed your wit. Thank you for making my life better. Happy holidays, love.
Ang ina naman naman, Tay. Diba?
Yes, Vanessa, it's my favorite. I hope your favorite. too.
Ayaw niya. No.
It's a blank new. So, it's a blank cup. But it's new. So, it's blank new. Oh, palos. I have a new cup. Ay, maganda to. Minty fresh. Biray-biray. Wait lang.
Hindi na kayong ganyan ba?
True. Biray-biray.
So, ano ah?
Minty fresh. Confessional look niya to sa ano eh. Ah, ito. So, guys, baliw siya. Like, baliw. Like, anong point mo? Like, it's my ano eh. Like, medyo fresh, di ba? Thank you so much. This is a new look for me. I will style it as soon as I can and as soon as possible. Yeah. Sorry my hair, I'm just woke up now. Thank you so much. Yeah. And from Tere na naman, Diyos ko, at kaso. Si Tere, laging araw-araw may dikdik.
Na-unbox mo na eh.
Hindi pa.
Unbox ko na eh.
Hindi pa. My first time unboxing it. It is Ueshi Mishimoto. Yeah, it's a term. Coming from me. It's a Mishimoto. Thank you so much. This is so squishy. I have a new cat with a shades. Cute. Like, like. Thank you so much, Tere. Nakapin mo na yung gift ko. I think so. Sa mga first batch. I think mga first batch yan. Dami. Nakasama sa'yo. Thank you so much sa lahat ng gift this Christmas and New Year's and holidays or something. Malapit na birthday ko sa April. So, mag-gift na naman kayo. Thank you guys. Kakain na ako. Isa na ako ng-open eh. Isa pa ako ng dalawang na-open. Yung dalawang parang pink na may box. Kay Rain yata yun. Yes, na-open ko na yun. Thank you so much din, Don Rain. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. See you in Baguio. See you in Cebu. See you in Cavite. And see you in Rampa on 24.
yun.
Bye-bye.
yun.
Para, hindi pa sure. Love you. Kumain na kayo.